Hi guys, my name's Ken, aka Ken FX Freak. I thought it'd be worth giving you a bit of background information on myself. I actually fell short by 1 grade for my desired university. I always knew, however, that I wanted to work within the financial markets. So I worked very hard to network and try and get myself an opportunity. Fortunately, I bagged one. I got a trial as a junior analyst at a boutique analysis firm known as Ranscorp, covering FX, fixed income, energies, commodities, a variety of markets, in which I did successfully pass my week's trial, and I came on as a junior analyst, and within my just over 3 years there, I worked my way up to a senior analyst, which was awesome. My desires and my passions grew greatly in financial markets, guys, and trading. So I taught myself how to trade, reading day and night every free opportunity that I had, and my passion just grew greater and greater for financial markets. Anyway, I left that financial analysis firm, and then after months of research, I went into Forex broking, to dealing with both private and corporate foreign currency requirements, deliverable foreign exchange. And during my time there, I did around 3 years within that industry. I continued to build upon my trading knowledge. I've developed my own trading strategy, implementing fundamental analysis, which is my bread and butter. And within those companies that I was working at, I built myself to be the go-to person for financial market updates. But after time, I started to get quite down about being within the corporate environment. It really got to me. I just felt as if I was a trapped bird within a cage, and I really wanted to break out of that box and flourish within what I was most passionate about, guys, and that is trading and direct exposure to financial markets. So I've now been in the market for over 7 years now, guys. Much of that I have actually been trading, perfecting my own swing trading strategy, of which a lot of it heavily involves fundamental analysis, which I love, and a lot of that key skill was developed at my very first city role. So in terms of 2017, it's been a fantastic year for me. I'm now working closely with 2 companies of where my passions lie so deeply. Ducoscopy TV, they brought me on to help provide fun and very informative FX updates for viewers within the trading market. And BlueFX, I was networking, came across the CEO, Yu Song, and I very much believed in the values that the company had in funding and helping traders make a career within the market. So let's recap with the events in the markets and with myself. Let's start off in January. We had the official inauguration of the President of the United States, Donald Trump, a very controversial and split presidency there.
President of the United States.
So in March, we had Britain officially executing Article 50. I joined forces with BlueFX and also Ducoscopy TV. In April, we had the French presidential elections, in which a far-right party, Le Pen, were very close in the running, neck and neck. Elsewhere, we had a Turkish referendum in which they voted yes on constitutional reform in order to make the democracy in the country more resilient. On a personal side of things, I flew over to Athens to meet some business contacts of mine and also to get lit. In May, I had my birthday. Oh goodness, I'm getting old. In June, I got my pal an opportunity to work with me at BlueFX, and me and him are now working on a lot of projects together. In October, we had the German elections, in which long-time German leader Angela Merkel lost a lot of ground. I spoke to some students at the London School of Economics, just giving them some insight into what I love, trading. And also I went to Malta with a good friend of mine. That was just literally to get lit. November, Britain and the EU finally agreed the divorce bill. I went on a road trip to Paris with my 2 bros, and yes, we got lit. And also it was my beloved daughter's first birthday. Wow, how time flies, it's scary. So 2017, as I said, was a great year for me, but we've got so much planned for 2018. I literally just cannot wait, and I cannot put into words how excited I am, guys. It's gonna be awesome!